Welcome to the University of Waterloo. As an international student, there are many student services available to support and empower you throughout your academic journey. In this video, we will show you how to navigate these valuable resources and make the most of your university experience. The Student Success Office is your go-to hub for academic support. From study skill workshops and time management strategies to one-on-one peer tutoring, their expert staff is dedicated to helping you excel in your studies. Your academic advisors are crucial allies in planning your educational journey. They can help you choose the right courses, navigate degree requirements, and explore opportunities for specialization research. For more information on your specific advisor, check out our academic advising page. In addition to academic advisors, the MAD undergraduate office is located on the 4th floor of MC and is a great place you can visit for general questions, assist you with course selection and/or enrollment issues, as well as connecting you with resources to help you succeed in your academic career at Waterloo. Your well-being is essential, and the University of Waterloo offers comprehensive health services. Located in the Student Life Center, you can find campus dentists and physiotherapists. Across the street, you can find the Student Medical Center. From routine checkups to mental health support, you can access a range of resources to ensure you're physically and emotionally healthy. For more information, check out our page on how to access healthcare on campus. As an international student, you have dedicated support services tailored to your needs. From immigration services such as immigration counseling to cultural adjustment workshops, these resources will help ensure a smooth transition and a fulfilling experience. Attending our yearly events such as Waterloo Ready will help you get ready for campus life and get you involved in our warrior community. Check out our international student resources page for more information. Education is an investment, and the university's financial aid and scholarships office can help you explore various funding options and grants, making your dream of studying abroad more attainable. For more information, check out our page now.
The University of Waterloo is committed to your success, providing a range of student resources that cater to your academic, personal, and career needs. Take advantage of these resources, reach out for help when you need it, and grasp the various opportunities on campus.